1,700 pieces of coconut. This side we call bunot in Bisaya.
Butbol ka nimong niligutan.
Tastes different from young coconut than matured coconut. So I like this small one. Foamy, and when you bite, it's like watery.
Kontra Marawi.
Trying to smoke this coconut over here. Okay, so right now I am heading to a farm and I'm going to vlog in there. I hope we can have some putong or coconut salad today. So this is our coconut that we harvest today, including my auntie's area and my uncle's area, my mom's area, and my area. I think this is about 1,700 pieces of coconut. Ang hubog gabiin, ang lugit karon.
Manghakot, maghakot. Galugit, maglugit. Maglugit.
Labanan na po nakakuan. Ay,
Hubog pa niya. Kailan pa malagi na siya chill. Okay guys, good morning. So I am here right now at the farmhouse. And as you can see in my background, we are doing harvesting. I am not here during that time because there's a lot of things that I did. So right now, this is the half work of our harvesting. Sabi? Ano po na siya? Kanso kayo.
Harvest and coconut.
So, what I am doing right now is we call lugit. This is what you do with lugit. Kulangot kay imo lang kulangoton, di ba? I am not sure the English description with this one, but
ang English
this is what you
ana
do.
puspos coconut. Puspos coconut. Okay, sige mo gagiko.
Ah.
Coconut.
Sa may English version ni mo be, ano daw be? Loget. Spoon the coconut. Ay ate, spoon the coconut. Okay guys, comment down below what's the English description of this, what I am doing right now, because ever since I post harvesting, I don't know the English translation. Charan! So my workers are just my cousins over here. Yes. And then they're going to, they start the job and then they're going to finish it. And then hopefully we can finish this lugit today. And then Bibi is doing bunot yesterday. I'll show you some small clips of it. Okay, so this side we call bunot in Bisaya, but I'm not sure in English name. So if you video this one like closer, look at this. Amazing! Ay, so big! And by the way, this one is very sharp, huh? So you have to be careful.
Nadugmok na eh, nakagbong na. Butbol ka nimong niligutan.
Buki ba?
Football na yun. So actually, this kind of job is
Wala, o pa ni mapalo.
for me. Imo ni day? Ay, imo day ni bu. Okay, so my cousin's gonna do her job because I'm just wasting her time here. I'm done. This is how fast they do chop this coconut, guys. Look. Oh my goodness. It looks like dangerous. So, most of the comments I saw online after I post my previous coconut harvesting, they said that it's a waste to waste the water. So the water comes from this matured coconuts are really a waste because it tastes different from young coconut than matured coconut, like brown coconut. So guys, if you comment again, why is it we are wasting the water? Baby. Kani. Why we are wasting the coconut water? Because it's not drinkable anymore. I mean, you can drink it, but it tastes not really good. It's not sweet anymore. It's not like, yeah, it's very different with young coconut. So I have here some coconut. So there's a big one, this one. This is what we call buwak. And then this one is small. So I like this small one. So I'm gonna eat the small one. You can also eat this one. But I like the small one. This is like, translation in English, this is like a seeds of coconut something. Bukan ni Mai.
Sidling.
Oh, wala siyang sidling. And then this one becomes bigger and bigger once the coconut is mature enough to grow. Hey. Tamis siya. Tamis ang gagmay. Small one are sweeter than this one big. So small but terrible is good definition with this one. Gamatay kayo. Namusta po na kayo gamatay. Nung kayo magjulin.
Pero kung ano pagluto ito, ay kanang sidling-sidling pa siguro ito na.
I have two beautiful ones. The texture is like foamy white. Foamy, and when you bite, it's like watery. And this is the coconut. Then we're gonna use this one to make a fire inside here. I'm gonna show you that later. Mingaw palaw.
Sa puto, punong puto nga. Hindi daghan ang takay tao ka ng kumbato.
Ayan. Sa mukha niya. Gang, pilay mahurot nimo sa isa ka adlaw. Minimum lang, minimum.
Kalibo.
Sa kalibo. So, my cousin can finish lugit like this. 1,000 pieces of coconut. Imagine, like 1,000 pieces of coconut doing like this a day.
Hiwa ko na siya. 2,000 na siya kabuok. 2,000 kayo nani. Kay 1,000 man kayo nani.
1,000 pieces of, like one whole pieces of coconut. My cousin can finish this lugit-lugit something. I'm not sure the English translation. See, imagine how fast they can do lugit. Why it's so dark? And then after this, they're going to transport the two boys over here. They're going to transport these up to the landahan. That kind of job is different payment also. And then this kind of job like lugit is different payment per 1,000 pesos. And then for bunot as well, which is Bibi did all of it, different payment labor. Pila-pila pieces mo karon? 700 din mo. Pila man ka how many coconut you can finish a day?
5 minutes.
How many, Bowsy? 5 minutes ka dyan.
Ay, Tagalog. Dito ka sabot.
Si Tagalog English to.
English, no?
Pila man ka lubi mong mahurot lugit sa isa ka adlaw?
This smell. Wala abot.
2,000 lugit? We.
Gaya niya, kasi naitigbo ako. Yan na nagluhat.
Mo ba? 2,000 pieces of coconut. Pag sure, oy.
Okay.
Then inigbunot.
Basta na yung mo.
Sa'yo.
2,000 gyapon ang bunot.
Sa'yo.
3,000? Ano pag sure, mura magkag human machine.
Lagi sa'yo, basta sa'yo.
Okay. So, baby can finish doing lugit like this for 2,000 pieces of coconut a day. And then for bunot, which is for doing like this one, removing the coconut from here is 1,000 to 3,000 pieces a day. Especially if he start early in the morning. More or less per day 2,000 to 3,000 pieces. Lagana, no? That's why baby is stop doing this kind of job to other people because baby doesn't know how to count pieces. And then people are just taking advantage of him. So that's why my auntie make him stop doing lugit like this with other people. Because they don't pay him the right amount of the job that he did. He doesn't complain because he doesn't know how to count anyway. So, but of course, if baby works here, we paid him the right amount with, for this harvesting, of course. You know, because we are trustworthy people here. And by the way, guys, you can eat this one. Milky. Especially if the bottom part of this one is white compared to this one, it's brown. This is more tastier than this one.
Umigot lube. Kontra Marawe.
7.6. One na class, no?
Ha? Ay, dito sa other house na lang.
Okay, so we are almost done. There's more over here. And then we are going to transport this one above there. So this is what they are doing right now. While the other one over here is still doing lugit. And then this one, they're slowly putting the coconut in there. Oops. Ta-da! So by the way, they're using that one so that it's not gonna be heavy on the head. So that's their head protection. So I'm going to make some broomsticks.
Can you make a triangle?
Triangle? I don't know how to make triangle.
Give me that one.
It's raining! Okay, so right now we are connecting this water hose to my auntie's house over there. And then from here goes to my auntie's house and then goes to my uncle's house, which is the first farmhouse that we built. And right now my uncle Dad of Rian is living in there. So right now Dad is putting some connection from this house to my auntie's house. So the 3 houses can benefit this water. So right now they are working on trying to smoke this coconut over here. So I'll show you much more tomorrow after they smoke this one. So they're gonna do this overnight. Sophia is walking here at the mud at night. You like the hike, Pia?
Yes, because it's exercise.
It's exercise.
Because magpwede ko mag-run, exercise,
Run, exercise. Very good.
and walk, exercise.
Both exercise and run. But it's so muddy. It's so muddy. You think it's yucky or it's okay?
Is that here?
Okay. So we need some flashlight. So bye-bye guys. You say bye-bye guys. See you later.
Papa can see you later. You want to
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!